People often believe that earning your first $100,000 is the most difficult. But this is far from the case if you know what you're doing. In my opinion, one of the main issues when trying to make money online is that people don't use the best tools available to them. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, I discuss 3 of the most effective methods for getting your first $100,000 online. I will discuss entrepreneurship, the time commitment, the success mindset involved in making $100,000, and how simple the methods are. Strategy number 1. Selling courses. If you want to make your first $100,000, I recommend becoming a teacher. I'm not talking about a career in a classroom here, but they might be surprised to learn how much money can be made as a teacher. When I say next generation teacher, I mean someone who makes a living by offering and selling online courses. If people are interested in learning about it, all you need to do is know 1% more than the average person about a given ability. As a matter of fact, some people have made over $100,000 from teaching video game classes alone. Here, therefore, is a quick calculation of how to make $100,000 or more through online education. If your course sells for $1,000, you need only sell 100 of them to make $100,000. Think about the millions of YouTube channels that receive less than 1% of their total monthly views as paying customers, and double that by the price of any course you might be selling. A large sum of money is being added up. To explain these further, here is what you need to do to sell your course. Pick a niche or category for your course. As a quick check, I'd recommend checking YouTube to see if any relevant categories have videos with over 100,000 views to ensure there is an audience for your project. When teaching a skill online, you can avoid showing your face in the videos you film to teach it to step by step if you choose. The usage of a free screen recorder like OBS makes it possible to simply record your screen while presenting a slideshow in Google Slides. Hosting your course on a platform like Kajabi and collecting payments with a service like Digistore24 is the next logical step. After finishing the course, the last step is to spread the word. Although there are various options, I believe that attracting students through YouTube traffic is the most effective strategy. You can also enlist the help of affiliates to spread the word about your course. In exchange for a cut of the profits, they can purchase ads, make videos, and publish blog articles all in your name. The awesome thing about online courses is that you just have to put in the time and effort required to create the course once. You'll need to record it, which can be a bit of a hassle but is well worth it in the end, because you can help many people while making a fortune in the process. Strategy number 2. Promoting courses. There is absolutely no need to worry if you lack the necessary skills or desire to develop your own course. Next on our list of ways to make your first $100,000 online is to sell the course of another person. The benefits of this approach include not requiring any prior teaching experience and saving significant time in developing your own course material. Instead, you can promote a course you've found on websites like clickbank.com or digistore24.com. Consistent with this strategy, however, is the requirement to share a commission with the product's original developer. If you're interested in promoting Tube Mastery and monetization course on YouTube and earning a 50% commission on each sale you bring in, you can do so through Digistore24. You make $500 per successful sale of my Digistore product, which retails for $1,000. Assuming a payout of $500 for each transaction made online, you would need to make about 200 sales before reaching $100,000 in earnings. Some of you may be thinking, that's great, but where do I actually promote my affiliate links to get these sales? Here, we will discuss some of the most effective traffic generation strategies, each of which may be used to help you reach your first goal of $100,000 in online sales. Strategy number 3. Theme pages. The third strategy employs an anonymous Instagram theme for its pages. Now, you could believe that you need to be a self-promotional influencer to amass a large Instagram following. But in reality, it's not like that at all. As a matter of fact, The people I know who have the most popular Instagram accounts online never post photos of themselves. You may be wondering how they manage to pull that off. In order to achieve this, they utilize faceless Instagram theme pages in their marketing efforts. This is where they share helpful information on a specific market niche on their respective pages. Millionaire Mentor, an Instagram account with over 10 million followers, often shares just a photo with a few words of commentary on the business world. Use any of the free image editors on this page to create your own similar looking images. Because Instagram doesn't offer any in-app purchasing options, you may be wondering how you can genuinely profit from this. And you can monetize this activity by buying and selling shoutouts. This category includes Instagram messages that link to another account or business. Plus, websites like shoutcard.com allow you to make money off of shoutouts. The problem is that when your audience grows, more and more individuals will DM or email you asking if they can pay for a shoutout. Let's assume you can get $100 for each shoutout you sell. This means you'd have to sell 1,000 units at $1,000 each to make $100,000. Additionally, major accounts can easily sell 2 to 3 daily shoutouts, which would bring in that $100,000 annually. My friends and acquaintances who engage in this activity tend to maintain a large number of accounts. Some of them manage well over a dozen accounts. The potential to sell shoutouts on all those accounts is exciting. The accounts can be used to advertise affiliate products or your own course, doubling your earnings potential. I know what you're thinking. How do I attract a large number of followers in the first place? I've compiled a quick start guide for expanding your Instagram following. You should update your status at least twice or 3 times daily. The second piece of advice is to focus on one specific niche. Third, update your feed with a variety of content from your stories, reels, and IGTV. Using appropriate hashtags is tip number 4. Fifthly, you should leave comments on the major pages of competitors in your niche. These are often discovered via browsing Instagram's Explore page. You can acquire a lot of exposure if you leave a comment that others find useful, and then they go and check out your account. This revenue stream can be built up further by you yourself purchasing shoutouts on other accounts. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to maximize your earning with the help of AI. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.